What's going on, everybody? So I'm gonna kind of be all over the place in this video, so I apologize. I don't write stuff down. I don't read stuff. I just go off the top of my head. So to get things started, I've never, you can't find a video. I have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. You cannot find one video that says I'm rich, that says I live in this big house. And as you all know, I'm being stalked by another man, which is still kind of weird, who shows my house. But the thing is, he still thinks it's a trailer. He thinks I took a trailer and turned it into a house because it has an A-frame. I used to build houses. Almost, yeah, every house and every trailer has what they call an A-frame. This is not a trailer. But if it was, I wouldn't be ashamed. There's nothing to be ashamed of. So I do live in a bad neighborhood. All these people are poor. But what does that have to do with me fixing credit? Absolutely nothing. If I chose to live in a rundown shack, I don't think anybody's gonna care. They're not looking at, oh, well, if he fixes my credit, I'm gonna be living in a shack too. Just because somebody lives somewhere doesn't mean anything. You know how many people that grew up in this neighborhood, extremely poor, and are smart as hell. But some people, like the scammer in Vietnam, will lead you to believe that because somebody's poor, or they're not on YouTube lying about being rich and on a skyrise and they're building a pool on my roof. Sorry about making this video, y'all. It's stupid. And I'm gonna play a clip for y'all in just a minute, maybe at the end of the video, just to show you how desperate and at the same time how bipolar this kid is. It's just amazing. He's so upset because he hasn't been able to post anything for 9 days now. So the goal, and I'm just going to come out and say it because I know he's going to watch it. He watches all my videos, and that's fine. Appreciate you, buddy. But the goal is to get him off YouTube, and nobody watches his stuff. So we're going to save like 30 people from seeing his content. And if you're smart, you'll keep talking about me because you get more than 100 views talking about me than what you do talking about whatever the hell it is you talk about, ranting, this millionaire rant. Everybody knows you ran to Vietnam because you beat your girlfriend up. Sue me for it. You know, if that's not true, you need to talk to Jennifer that lives in Florida. Maybe she can clear things up. But you know, he's wanted in so many states, and he definitely can't come back now because the lawsuits that are pending against him, it's funny. And I know he'll make a video and he'll rant and he'll get all upset and he'll yell and he'll this and he'll that. You don't spell bum B-U-M-B. You're the only CEO I know that cannot spell worth of shit. And it's funny. And again, I didn't want to make this video, but honestly, I haven't made many videos because I've been extremely busy with this new system that we're implementing. So I haven't really had time, but some people in our group text were sending me stuff that he's posted in his community because he can't post videos, which is a good thing because, you know, when people watch videos of him, they basically lose brain cells. And I apologize. I don't have a Cuban cigar to smoke. I'm sorry. I don't try to be somebody I'm not. No, I'm not rich. I never said I was rich. I don't live in the best neighborhood, but that has absolutely nothing to do with me fixing credit. Now, as far as me living in Georgia and doing credit repair, so the laws are kind of loose there. And if you look it up and actually go through it, it'll confuse the hell out of you. But with that being said, the Attorney General's office, Secretary of State, already knows what I've done that I was not supposed to do. But I've corrected it. And yes, I can live in Georgia and run a business based out of Texas. Yes, I can do that. I have other people that do the work, and I pay them more than $5 an hour, like you pay Tanmay, which is perfectly legal too. And I do mail the letters, and they know that. I explained that to them. That's not credit repair. Mailing letters is not credit repair. So, yeah, I just, kind of wanted to let y'all know. Again, I've never said I was rich. I never said I lived in a great neighborhood. Never said I had a bunch of money. But I'm not out here scamming people. I'm actually out here helping people and changing lives. You can see the people that comment on my YouTube. You can see the people that comment on my Facebook. You can see the screenshots of text messages people send me, thanking me for helping them get into a house, start a business, other stuff. You can't just make all that stuff up. But again, I will play a clip. I actually got to go do a screen record of it because it's kind of hilarious to me. It's like 1 minute he's going to let it go, the next he's not. And then I had another guy reach out and say, well, he is obsessed with you, but you're kind of obsessed with him too. But here's the difference. He's obsessed with me because I have ruined his business, but he wants everybody to think that I have not. I'm obsessed with him because I want to warn people about him scamming people. Maurice, come here. You just the man I need to see. You all right? You okay being in a YouTube video? Are you okay being in a YouTube video?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
You don't want to be in it? Uh-oh. Well, I needed you to do something for me. My dog's going crazy. Oh, well, I got this guy on YouTube. Hold on, let me get my dog. Hold on. She barks at everybody, man. Oh, the male lady. She hates the male lady. Oh yeah. So there's this guy that lives in Vietnam that's scamming people, and me and him kind of got this beef, I guess, going or whatever. Okay. And he keeps telling everybody I'm racist and stuff like that. Oh. And you're like the perfect candidate. Okay. I mean, you live here, you come around here, you know me. I mean,
I'll do that for you, man.
Well, here, let me put you on the video. Come around here if you want.
Now?
Yeah, you good. Perfect person, perfect example right here. And be honest with him. I mean, I didn't even know you. Where was you at? Back there at my mama's house?
Yeah, I was doing something for Fleabag wife.
So this is my buddy Maurice right here. I've known him, 30 years probably?
About 30 years, man.
Yeah.
Yep.
So just being honest, have you ever known me to be racist or anybody to ever say
I really
I'm
wanna,
a racist
I really
person?
want to laugh when you come into me like that, but nah, not David. David ain't never been. His whole family, they accept blacks. They even have a lot of black friends. This is where we shot basketball at. Like, David, he's never been racist.
I appreciate it, man. I just want people to see. You walked by at the perfect time because I was fishing to end the video, and I've talked about maybe even like walking through the neighborhood because this ain't the greatest neighborhood, but this is where we grew up.
Exactly.
We take care of everybody, and
it's chemistry. It's
exactly. We play ball together, walk the streets together. You name it, we've done it.
Even fought together.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
But no, not David. He's not racist. Never have.
Maurice even comes over here and does stuff for me.
Yep.
So he helps me, and I appreciate it, man. I really do.
Oh yeah,
I appreciate everything.
I appreciate you, David.
Yep.
All
right. Well, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you doing that.
No problem.
Have a good Friday, man.
All right, you too, David. I like that.
I had to put you on there again sometime.
Yeah, we can.
Oh yeah.
But when you said that right now, I don't care how I'm looking right now.
Oh yeah, I mean, I just, I want people to see it from somebody else other than me because I can tell them what I want to.
Yeah, I'm at your house.
I mean, you at my house, you've been here 1,000,000 times, you've known me forever, so I appreciate that.
All fat, like the truth.
Oh yeah, I mean, I don't ever want nobody to lie for me, man. I appreciate it.
Right. So that tells it all right now.
That's right. Have a good one, man. So there you go. Coming from somebody that's not me, just telling y'all what y'all want to hear like some people do. These are facts. And again, it's not the greatest neighborhood, but I'm happy here. Everybody knows me. We take care of one another. And my dog barks at everybody, especially the male lady. But anyway, I'll end the video at this, and I will put that clip at the end. if anybody wants to watch it. I'm about to go in here when I get done doing that and get a shower and enjoy the rest of my Friday night. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great weekend.